Well, I no longer have a Serrano pepper plant. I got tired of it and decided to rip it out today. In the process, we found a ton more Serranos. Cucumbers, look at this thing. That's been in there for a while. That's massively overripe. Those were just hidden inside of the plant. And a whole trash can full of pepper. And now the question is, what will the root system look like? Pretty healthy roots. Can't complain about that. Probably time to do a little cleaning now since I got this out. Let's get this out of here and take a better look at it. Still got my air stone in here. Pretty solid. Well, now I can start cleaning up my mess this thing's been making a little bit better. Get back in the corner here. Because starting Friday, this entire wall unit's getting ripped out also. Because all my new let pots should be getting delivered Thursday and Friday this week. So let pots there. And I think I'm going to move this tiny little pepper plant back in the corner here for now. And I can get back here and do some maintenance on my poblano here while I can actually get to it now again. So we should have some big changes to the grow room in the next week. That poblano, that thing's massive. It's taller than I am. Pretty crazy grow room. Unbelievable I can grow all this indoors. Here's all my plants just getting ready to go into the bigger systems. But you can see how this works here. Those are just ready to go into the garden system or wherever I want to put them. Lettuce grow. Lettuce grow would sell you probably that for $4. That cost me 5 cents. Unbelievable. Once you learn what you're doing, don't pay these crazy markups on these companies are charging. I can do a full garden system, 30 plants, cost me $1.50. Alrighty, time to get back to work.